the bright neon dreams that fill the night, running through electric veins in this world without no chains. We are the echoes in the void, pulse of life we can't avoid. Rhythms beat inside our hearts, in electric dreams we start. Skyscrapers touching the sky, radio waves, we fly so high. Starlit paths we navigate, in this rush we resonate. Wires hum with hidden grace, lost in this electric space. Gravity can't hold us down, we're the spark in every town. We are the echoes in the void, pulse of life we can't avoid. Rhythms beat inside our hearts, in electric dreams we start. Moonlight, shadows intertwine, glowing trails leave us behind, dancing on the edge of time, in this world where we'll find. Ooh.